If your space is missing a stunning background and it's been holding you back from starting that YouTube channel, you're in the right place. Stick around as I share how I transformed my background using Canva's AI feature and some easy editing in CapCut. Welcome. I am Tristiaso. Like I stated earlier, we'll be making use of two applications, which are Canva and CapCut, to achieve fake background such as this. To start, you will need a laptop. Let's take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. There are a few things to note when making a video, either shooting with a camera or a phone, and they are: 1. It is advisable to ensure that there is enough lighting in the room to avoid shadows. 2. Use a plain background to avoid patches. 3. Ensure your camera or phone is stable and preferably horizontal. 4. Position yourself in front of the background with enough distance to avoid casting shadows. Guess what? Now it's time to record your video. Yay! Head straight to Canva. This is the first application. Kindly go to Google and type in Canva. Then click on the link or you open in a new tab. If you're new to Canva, you will need to sign up with your email. Since I already have an account, I just need to sign in. Once you're in, you'll see this interface. Then go to the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail. This is to get the exact size required for YouTube videos. Then click on Create Blank. This will create a blank template to work on. Let me say this. There is a free version and a paid version, but the free version offers a lot of access, although I'm using a paid version, but the free version can still do all this. On the extreme left, click on Elements, then scroll down. Then you see AI Image Generator. Click on Generate Your Own. This is if you don't want to make use of the available images there. Use the text box to describe the kind of image you would like. We also have graphics and videos. Now, use the text box to describe the kind of image you would like, just like I'm doing right now. And it will generate images for you. Double click on the chosen image and it will appear on the blank template. Right click and scroll down, then select Set Image as Background. This is to cover the space. You can drag the edges. Remember that you can generate and add as many images as you want. After that, click on the share on the top right side, then download. For a clearer picture, I usually leave it on PNG. Then select the pages if you don't want to download all the pages. But in this case, I had to download the 2 images. So I would select all. Then click on Done and download. These images will download to your computer. Now open CapCut. Now that CapCut is open, you go to media. It's already on media. You have audio, text, stickers, effects, transition, filter, adjustment, and the rest of them. Make sure it's on media, then click on import. This will import all the files that you will need into your project space. Now, I have already imported the video and the pictures that I'll be making use of. So the next thing to do is to drag the video to the timeline. So I'll mute the audio. Now this is what it sounds like. It's muted. And take note of the background. It's plain. Now go to the picture, the first picture that you would want as your background. Drag it and take it to the timeline. Take it to the bottom. Cover all spaces and make sure that the picture should be of the same length as the video. At the top right part, you'll see cut out. Then click on auto cutout. This will take few minutes. This is in order to remove the background. Now, as you can see from this video, that the background has changed. Then move to effects. Under effects, you see lens. Scroll down till you see blur. Click and drag on blur and make sure it is in between the video and the pictures. This is in order to make the background blur, not the video itself. You will notice the changes that have occurred. You can zoom in or zoom out, whatever your preference may be. So I'll leave it like this. Let's see how it looks like. It's perfect. We have a blurry background. This is how to make a fake background. You can see, you can put as many pictures as you want. You can resize your video as you want. Now, once you are done, after you are sure of everything being all right, then click on export at the top right corner and choose your preferred resolution. I will choose 1080p. You can choose a higher one, such as 4K, depending on the resolution of the camera or phone used to record the video. Then click on export. That's it. You've been able to change your background just in few minutes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.